The next thing we're going to do is a superhero game, following instructions. This is inspired by the game Clear to Space. I'm going to be saying a command or instruction, and it goes with specific movements. The first one is called center. When I say center, the whole class goes to the center of the space. And center.
And you want it tight. You want it tight. Okay. Now, after center, I'll say shoulder. So you'll put your head in each other's shoulders.
So, shoulder. Aw, aren't they sweet? From shoulder, they're going to go favorite. They're going to find a space in the room, and they're going to point to that using different levels. Favorite.
All right, they're going to focus, and they're going to freeze. I'm just going to pause. Let me see how good they are at freezing. Really good. Now I'm going to say expand. And when I say expand, they're going to try to use as much space as they can and be as far away from each other. Expand!
Then from expand, they're going to turn into a ball, and they're going to pinch their body into a tiny, tiny ball.
Ball!
Now from the ball, they're powering up, because the next thing they're going to do is they're going to become Spider-Man. And when they become Spider-Man, they're going to try to attach themselves into different pieces of furniture on the stage. Ready? And go! Spider-Man!
Attach to a piece of furniture. Attach to a piece of furniture. All right, now from here, they're going to fly to the front of the stage as Superman and freeze at the edge and go, Superman! Then from Superman,
they're going to create a circle, and they're going to go become Wonder Woman.
Ready and go, Wonder Woman!
And then from here, we're going to become the Incredible Hulk. Then from the Incredible Hulk, we're going to jump forward as Thor.
Okay, ready and go, Thor!
Then from Thor, they're going to become Xavier. Xavier. Now let me see if they can do that again, but faster. Center! Shoulder. Favorite. Good use of levels. Expand. Use the space. Good use of space, good use of levels. Ball. They're powering up. Spider-Man.
Attached to a piece of furniture. Superman, fly to the front.
Wonder Woman, semicircle.
Ooh, nice transition move. Hawk.
Thor.
Beautiful. And Xavier.
And that was the superhero instruction game.